doing something famous currently. I'm saving the Brave video. I'm waiting for Brave. I'm gonna put that Brave in there, and then I'm gonna go and stroke the cat. Put that in back. In bed. I'm going to stroke all the cat.
You want to enjoy yourself in Geneva?
No. Bell's coming up with me. Yay. The big 23-minute video for my 300 subscriber thing. So now I'm going to convert it so that I can save it into 2 videos to upload today. So wait! Oh, what the mountain thing again? Wrong one, duh. It's like half 11, and I'm currently uploading part for first of the 3 parts of original 3 I need to upload today, and I'm converting the big file, being famous 300 subscriber video. Okay, well else I'm doing nothing. I'm not just gonna say doing blank all this time because converting will take a while. So what I'm gonna do, you'll find out. Just Smallville, da da da. 3 left to go. After this, over 2.
World, huh?
It's in your best interest to get these doors open now.
You're capable of. 4.
He's still alive. It's trying to break through another
If he finds us, we'll both be dead.
The cooling system uses a special mix of liquid. System failure.
Leave any of this sooner.
Tap with Mercer's tracker. I don't care about Mercer or what. Peter comes with me.
Vala, where's your...
Just for the record, I just saved your ass.
Demand justice. Murder isn't justice. The last time that I saw Feora, she was alive. And she was alone.
Subscriber video part 1 has been uploaded and part 2 has been saved. And Princess is gonna jump. Okay, so I just watched what I recorded for some reason. Felt like it. I'm waiting, I'm doing blank. Yeah! Kangaroo style! Yeah! Yeah! I was wasting time. Hey, the 300 subscriber video part 1 is uploaded. We're just waiting on part 2 to save, which is going to be 5 minutes. 9 minutes to go. Minutes to go! 3 minutes to go, dog! Minutes to go. 1 minute to go. Oh my god, so little time left to go. 5 seconds. And done. Part 42, I'm actually going 3 now. Which is the second video of 3 today. Uploading 300 subscriber video, special video to part 2. So, on a roll with uploading and crap. What to do now? It's 5 to 1. I've never fingered that fucking thing's fine when it's down. Mini list, I'll do more on it in a bit. But I want some food first. Also, the part 2 is uploaded now.
Why?
I'm back.
I'm back.
Betty. No, not meowing. This is exciting. Do something. Bob's okay with Windows Memory Coach. Okay, let's go. Up. Microphone watch. Back. What's up recording down there? Yeah. That's why it's no man. All I'm missing now is the trophy. No enemies. Jump back up. Sorry, Karen. Right.
Buddy, how'd you find me here? We found your secret bit.
Okay, so I'm doing my final part of Match Gun 3 for today. I'm waiting for Jessica to bring cups of tea so that I can do 10 songs and Jessica can play Kangaroo. Yeah, I see you around. That's for bitch and no blame and no. Okay, we're there. Oh.
Just want different things. I want space, you want a diamond ring. Whatever made you think we were meant to be. When you tell me I'm a wreck, you say that I'm a mess. How could you expect anything less? Let's talk to me, then cry to show me love. I told you when you asked, I knew this wouldn't last. At least I could be honest about it. And now you tell me everyone how I only did you wrong. I guess they'll never know it.
What would you do if you were me? I'm better off if it's a mystery. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I kiss your lips for the last time. Please don't say if it's over, so my heart is not goodbye. Do this one thing for me.
Have a drink. Tidy recording.
can't be reached. Does anybody know? Breaking up again, are you listening to anything I've said? Tell me where you are, and I'll find you. Tell me what it takes to see this through. Tell me what it takes to get to you, and I'll be there waiting.
Oh, this is the current listy for every day, every night, every money, every fight.
People get turned into robots. Who am I to say? You too. Everyone okay?
I'm playing Looney Dooney, the Boony Mooney. And boom! What's that do? What's that even do?
Guardians, yeah, they just hit at me.
Hey,